my mum's prawn gravy biryani, a rich gravy made with prawns, marinated in curd, fragrant herbs, spices and raisins. Onions are slowly sautéed until perfectly caramelised, then combined with the prawn gravy and cooked together to deepen the flavours. Served with aromatic jeera rice, generously studded with dry fruits. It's super delicious. We grew up eating this. Do try it and thank me later. Cook for you spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Prawns Biryani, my mum's special. Simply follow the step-by-step guide and you'll achieve the results. Let's get begin. Step 1. Prawns marination. Take 100 grams curd, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, ½ teaspoon turmeric, 2 to 3 pinches nutmeg powder, ½ teaspoon black pepper powder, salt to taste, ½ teaspoon cloves and mace powder, ½ teaspoon green cardamom powder, ½ teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 2 pinches saffron food colour, 1 teaspoon lime juice, 1 teaspoon chopped or paste of green chilies, ½ teaspoon oil. Combine well. One tablespoon raisins. Add 250 grams clean and washed king prawns within shell. Combine well. Marinate for 30 to 40 minutes. Step 2. Prawns Biryani masala. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons oil, 1 tablespoon pure ghee, 3 large sliced onions, sauté well. Add salt to taste. Add whole spices mentioned on the screen. Fry onions until it's golden brown or caramelised. Add 1 tomato or 3 dried plums, or 1 teaspoon tamarind pulp in it. Add 3 green chilies. Now add marinade prawns. Combine slowly. Prawns are very delicate. You can also add 1/4 cup water if you want, or you can skip water as curd and onions releases the water. It's enough to cook in it. Cover and cook on low flame 10 to 15 or until prawns get cooked. Prawns biryani masala is ready. Keep it aside. Step 3. Making biryani rice. 1 teaspoon oil, 1/4 teaspoon pure ghee, 1 small sliced onion. Sauté well. Add whole spices mentioned on the screen, ½ teaspoon cumin seeds, Salt as per rice. Add some water. Add 500 grams soaked basmati rice. Mix well. Add water. Dries out the water. Add saffron, food colour. Green colour. 1 tablespoon raisins. 1 tablespoon cashews. Half teaspoon pure ghee. Cover and cook 15 to 20 minutes on low flame. Our fragrant rice is ready to pair up with prawns, biryani masala. It's so delicious and super tasty. Our biryani rice is ready. Dish out. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. My mum's unique recipe, prawns biryani, is ready to serve. Love you, Mama. Hope you enjoy as much as we do. See you in the next. Happy cooking! Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.